Welcome back. Getting sexy legs you want to show off is one thing, woo! But making sure they are healthy too is so important. And there's one place you can go to take care of all of those needs, San Diego Vascular Center. We've got Dr. Alexander Saloom here with Mirabel helping us do some of the treatments, and Diana, our very brave patient today. Thank you guys so much for joining us. Wonderful to have you here on our Friday.
Yeah.
And what you do is really remarkable, because I know that, you know, it's beach weather just about all year long here in San Diego, and you want people to feel more comfortable with themselves and their bodies.
That's true. I mean, it's San Diego, after all. We have to show our legs off and be out there and at the beach and whatnot, so it's nice to have nice legs, so you can do that.
At your center, you do a variety of things, and of course varicose vein removal is a big thing. Right. But also, I was so fascinated to read that a lot of the varicose vein issues or problems could be related to heart issues or other health issues.
Yeah, there's a spectrum of problems that could cause a varicose vein or varicose veins. And for instance, at our center, we do a lot of testing for various things, because if there's a cause, like a cause for the varicose veins, and you just treat the varicose vein, well, then you're going to get it back. So we actually treat the whole patient. We look to make sure that's not there, some other cause, and then we go ahead and treat the varicose veins or the underlying cause, if that's the case.
Diana, we want you to be very, very brave and very patient, and I know it's going to be painless, but here's some before and after pictures just to help you feel more comfortable, girl. Dr. Saloom, tell us how many treatments this patient had.
Well, this patient had a couple treatments. This is just one of the legs, so, you know, on this particular leg, he's had 2 treatments. However, some patients have anywhere from 1 or 2 treatments all the way up to 5 treatments. And there's a whole spectrum of how severe, how many.
This is hugely improved, this look.
This is a different, you can see that these veins are much larger, and so we do like laser treatment or radiofrequency ablation of some deeper veins that actually cause these veins that we're seeing here on the surface.
Now, I know you do some facial treatments too, which people may not even realize.
Yeah, well, we also have the phototherapies and lasers that do skin blemishes along with the vascular lesions that we have that are found throughout the body. Some of the spider veins that we see, or the reticular veins, are so small that we do it with something called IPL, which is a phototherapy or facial.
And you're treating the whole person. I know you keep Mirabel very busy, so we're going to let you get started with her so she can mix up the treatment that we're going to use on Diana today. And while you guys are doing that, Diana, do you have feelings, embarrassment about maybe not showing your legs because you're varicose vein, or how has that impacted you?
Well, this is actually a spider vein that I have.
A spider vein.
It is kind of bothersome. It's a little darker in color, so when I go to the beach, some people have commented on it. I got it as a result of an accident.
Of an accident,
and
all right.
So I'd like to be able to get rid of it.
Well, in order to do that, you've graciously volunteered to hike up your pants, and we'll see it right now, so can we get you to do that? And, you know, it is very brave for folks to be willing to do this on television, but what you were saying before is that it doesn't hurt, and it's a very simple procedure.
Right. I mean, it is a needle, so it might lightly pinch, and that's the major part of it.
So here's the spider vein that we were looking at here. And again, you have had that for quite a while.
Yeah, I got it when I was 16 years old, so it's been quite a while.
So, you know, I prepare the skin. We just do some cleaning, so it's...
How do you feel to get rid of it today? To
excited.
Yeah. Did you wake up this morning going, oh, yeah?
I was a little nervous.
Yeah.
I've gotten used to it.
That makes sense. That makes sense. Well, you're in really good hands with Dr. Saloom, and I know that Mirabel got it all mixed up. So what is the treatment that we are using for Diana today?
Well, this is a sclerosant, which is basically a medication that we inject into the vein that causes the vein to close off, and then it kind of dissolves with time. This particular form is just the liquid form of the medication. We could also do a foam sclerotherapy, and that is more of an expansive one for bigger veins.
Thank you so much. We're going to get started, but we just want to mention we're going to take a close-up shot here, so if you are eating or you want to turn away, you know what, we totally understand. But we want to focus on how the procedure actually looks.
So basically we just go into the vein with a needle. I don't know if they can see that.
How are you doing, Diana?
Good.
Good, okay. I see no shrieks of pain.
And that disappeared.
Wow, my gosh, it is completely disappearing.
Wow.
Okay.
And then and we just cover it up.
My goodness.
And a little pressure, and she's going to wear a bandage overnight. and then tomorrow
exciting.
you
Did you
take it
get a
off.
chance to kind of quickly look at that?
Yeah, I
How,
did.
How are you feeling right now? What are you experiencing?
It was just erased.
So and then so it disappears, and then what happens is you may even see it, but then it goes away because
Oh
we
my gosh,
treated it with a
it's
medication.
truly like a magician here. Dr. Saloom, this is unbelievable. Vein removal, it's a San Diego Vascular Center, and you are in Escondido on Citricata Parkway. All the information is there on the screen, and we want to mention that if you go to your Facebook page, you are offering some incredible gifts today.
Yeah, we are actually offering a chance to win a free varicose vein treatment. All you have to do is like us on our Facebook page, and you have the opportunity to win that. So it'd be a great opportunity.
Thank you so much. Your friends and family are going to vote you the biggest rock star today. That was brave, girl, to come on and do that, and it looks amazing. Thank you so much, Dr.
Thanks for
Saloom.
having me.
Mirabelle,
That's great.
you rock, and Diana, you go, girl. Thanks again, guys. More information, you can always go to our website at san diego6.com and click on San Diego Living.